It's a nice day today. That must be my roommate. Let's see our roommate. You're my roommate? Yeah. So, what do you want to do today? Good idea. You'll never find me. He'll never find me. Who are you? Who are you? He'll never find me. Ah, shh! You got me! It's time for sleeping. Well, here's our beds. Yeah, that's awesome. But this is not your bed. This is your bed. Yeah. Now go sleep on your bed. Come on, it's not that bad. Come on, 3. Well, this is night to bed, right, bird? Come on. What's with the frown face? Well, you gotta get used to it. So, good night. What is that? What is that? Lion, stop that! Stop hurting my cut! No. Lion, stop that! Lion, stop that! Stop it! I saved you. I saved you. Lion, stop! Lion, stop! Stop! He did! Lion, you killed him! Oh, don't talk back to me. What am I gonna do with the dead body? I got a good idea. I can't believe I'm doing this. Here goes nothing. "20 minutes later." Alright, it's done. Here you go, Lion. I got you a gift. I should adopt you. I think I'm gonna get rid of you.